Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today our lecture is about math subject class 8. Unit number 5, polynomials. Operations on polynomials. First is addition of polynomials. If p and q are two polynomials, then their addition is represented as p, addition का sign, plus q. In order to add two or more than two polynomials, first we write the polynomials in ascending or descending order and like terms each in the form of columns. Finally, we add the coefficient of like terms. For example, in this example, we have written x cube terms in the x cube column, x square terms in the x square column, and x in x. If we have no coefficient, for example, here in second we write 0x. 0 means it have no coefficient. And then we add of three equations. So we have the answer 4x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Subtraction of polynomials. The subtraction of two polynomials p and q is represented by p minus q or p plus small bracket minus q. Plus minus always minus. If the sum of two polynomial is 0, then p and q are called the additive inverse of each other. As we can see in the examples, x plus y plus minus x minus y equals to 0. Like addition, we write the polynomials in descending or ascending orders and change the sign of each term which is to be subtracted means subtracted. The example is subtract first equation from the second. So the equation which is after the word from, first we write this equation and then the first equation. As we can see here the example, and we arrange them in the descending order. Descending order mean first we write the x power 4, then x cube, x square and x, and then last constant. In the second equation we change the plus sign with the negative sign and negative sign with the plus sign. Then we forget the above first sign because we have 5 minus 0 which is 5. 0 minus 2, again we have this largest value sign with negative sign, so here we write minus 2x cube. And next as it is we write plus x square plus x2 and minus 17. Next is multiplication of polynomials. Here have two methods, horizontal method and vertical method. In horizontal method we write it as just as 3x square, next the equation 5x square minus 3x plus 3 plus the next term. If we have here the plus or negative sign with the next term, we write it as it is. For example, here we have plus 2x, so here we write plus 2x. If we have here minus 2x, then we write here minus 2. For example, as we write here minus 4 and next equation, we multiply x square with x square, then if the variables x is same, then their powers must be add. As we can see, 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15 and x square multiplied by x square equals to x power 4. As it is plus minus minus, 3 multiplied by 3 9 and x square multiplied by x cube. If the variable have no power, then its power is 1. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Similarly, we multiply both and then we separate the x cube terms and x square terms and x terms. So we can easily solve them plus minus or addition, subtraction, and then which action we can perform. So the answer is 5x4 plus x cube minus 17x square plus 18x minus 12. Then we multiply 2x minus 3 with 5x plus 6 in the vertical method. First we write as it is, just we can simply multiply the numbers. First we can see here 5 multiplied by 2, 10x square, then 5 again multiplied by 3, but first we multiply 2x plus 6. The first equation is solved and then we write the minus 3 with 5x and minus 3 with 7x plus minus 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 18. Here we add in the simple multiply questions. So the answer is 10x square minus 3x minus 18. Note, the product of two polynomials is also a polynomial whose degree is equal to the sum of the degrees of two polynomials. As we can see here, the variable x have power 1 and 2 have power 1. So if we add both powers, we have the x square. So we can see here in the answer the polynomial degree is x square. Fourth operation is division of polynomials. Division is the reverse process of multiplication. In the division, we explain through examples. First, we write it as the division sign, as we can see in the example. Then division sign change into the multiply sign, and we have 1 over minus 4x cube. Minus minus से cancel हो जाएगा and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2x5 minus 3. Here we write minus 3 because x cube is in division. So the answer is 2x square. Next, divide x cube minus 2x plus 4 by x plus 2. First we have here the first is x cube. So we multiply x with a number or variable. We have the answer x cube. X cube plus 2x square. In subtraction we change the sign as explained above. So plus x cube cancel with the minus x cube, and here we have the answer minus 2x square. Then we transfer the next term from the below and again multiply with minus 2x and plus 2, and we have the remainder 0 as in simple division. Note, if the polynomial is exactly divisible by an other polynomial, then the remainder is 0.